Let's close out this module with a recap of the key takeaways. We first covered the state of AI in product management, including 3 key areas where AI can fuel more efficient and effective processes. These include data analysis, experimentation, and communication. You also learned 2 areas of product management that AI will never replace, which are being customer-centric and having good business sense. In the end, AI frees up product managers to have more time to create and innovate, which is why we should view AI as a partner, not a threat to our jobs. Next, we went through different ways product managers can leverage AI in their day-to-day work. Since AI algorithms can sift through large amounts of data, it has a natural role to play in product analytics. Product managers can leverage AI for things like faster page and feature tracking and to analyze user workflows to pull out key insights. Similarly, AI can analyze customer feedback and NPS responses to extract common pain points and themes. Additional ways product managers can utilize AI include optimizing the product roadmap, prioritizing which features to build, generating user stories and personas, backlog management, and creating in-app copy or content with generative AI tools. Finally, we covered some frequently asked questions about AI in product management, knowing that new questions will likely arise as we start to utilize AI technology more and more. Now let's recap some action items you can take to put these learnings into practice. It might feel overwhelming to learn about all the ways product managers can utilize AI, so start by taking stock of the tools and resources that are currently available to you in your role. Is your product team already paying for software with AI capabilities? Are there any free tools you can try out? If you're leveraging AI for the first time, don't try to do everything at once. Choose 1 or 2 use cases to test out first, and then build onto your strategy from there. It'll also be helpful to talk to the rest of your product team to hear how others are utilizing AI in their day-to-day work. Now that you've finished this module, you should be able to explain how AI can transform how product managers operate, describe why product managers should view AI as a strategic tool, and identify key ways product managers can use AI in their work.